everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to slow zoom in on Capcut PC. First thing you'll do is open up your Capcut on your PC, import the video you want to edit into the timeline, and then you find the keyframe button. So you locate the keyframe button on the timeline. It usually looks like a small diamond. Now you add your keyframes. I usually use the shortcut which is Shift, Alternate, and the key letter. So once you do that, you locate the keyframe button on your timeline, like I said, then you choose a position your playhead where you want the zoom to begin. Click the keyframe button to add the keyframes. Like I said, I use Shift, Alternate, and key. So you press them at the same time, it will add your keyframe there. And then you also move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end. Click the keyframe button again. Now once you've done this, you can adjust the zoom level. The first keyframe, with the first keyframe selected, adjust the zoom level to its starting point, e.g. normal zoom or slightly zoomed out. You can either do this by adjusting the scale or transform sectors. Then the second keyframe, select the second keyframe and adjust the zoom level to the desired level, fully zoomed in. And once you've done that, you can refine your zoom speed. You'll notice handles on each keyframe. Drag these handles, you can adjust the speed of the zoom effect. Now, if you drag the handles closer together, it makes the zoom faster. If you drag the handles further apart, it makes the zoom slower. Next, you can preview and adjust. So play your video to see with the zoom effect to see if you actually like it. If you don't have anything to adjust, you can adjust the keyframe and handles as needed to achieve the desired slow zoom effect. And once you're satisfied, export your video from Capcut. Now let me give you some tips for a smooth, slow zoom. Use multiple keyframes. For a more gradual and natural zoom, consider adding more keyframes between the starting and ending points. Then Capcut offers you some easing options like linear, ease in or ease out that can help smoothen the zoom transition. Avoid sudden jumps in zoom speed by making subtle adjustments to the keyframes handles. By following these steps and experimenting with the keyframe tool, you can create smooth and visually appealing slow zoom effects in your Capcut videos. I believe you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time. Have a lovely day or night depending on your time zone. Bye for now.